I am the student of BMS of first floor in Bharat Ayurvedic Medical College and Research Center. This is the clavicle bone. Clavicle bone is a long bone that supports the shoulder, and it is a shaft curved part called shaft and two ends, lateral end and the medial end. Now we discuss about the side determination. Side determination, the lateral end is flat and the medial end is large and quadrilateral, and the shaft is slightly curved so that it is convex forward in its medial one third and concave forward in its lateral one third, and the inferior surface is grooved longitudinally in its medial one third. Now we discuss about some peculiarities of the clavicle bone. Clavicle bone is the only bone that lies horizontally, and there is no medullary cavity, and it is subcutaneous throughout. It is the only long bone that ossifies in membrane. It is the only bone which start ossifying in membrane. Now we discuss about some features of the clavicle bone. Clavicle bone has shaft and ends. First of all, we discuss about shaft. There is two shaft is divided into two types: the lateral shaft and medial shaft. The lateral one third of shaft and medial two third of shaft. First, we discuss about lateral one third of shaft. There is two surfaces and two borders. First of all, we discuss about the two borders: the anterior border and posterior border. And now two surfaces, medial border and two surfaces, superior surface and inferior surface. Now we discuss about the medial two third of shaft. There is two types of surfaces: anterior surface, posterior surface, inferior surface, and superior surface. Now we discuss about the ends. There is two ends: lateral and the medial end. Lateral end is also known as acromial end, and the medial end is also known as external end. Now we discuss about the attachments. Attachment, first of all, in lateral one third, the anterior border there is the origin of deltoid muscle, and in posterior border there is the insertion of trapezoid muscle, and in inferior surface there is one conoid. There is one tubercle is called conoid tubercle, and one ridge there is one ridge which is called trapezoid ridge. And now in medial two third, there is four surfaces, and there is first of all anterior surface. There is the origin of anterior surface. There is the origin of pectoralis major, and the posterior surface there is the origin of sternohyoid muscle, and in superior surface there is the origin of clavicular head of the sternocleidomastoid muscle, and in inferior surface divided into two types. First of all, there is one oval impression. There is the attachment of costoclavicular ligament, and there is subclavian groove. There is the insertion of subclavian muscle. Thank you.